Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net is our website. This is the front half of a YJ frame, 87 to 95, and it is a 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter front half. You could use it on a 6, but you'd have to change the motor mount. So just giving you an overview of exactly what kind of shape it's in, so you know exactly what you're going to see and expect when it shows up. It's in pretty good shape. It's got a couple little spots here. That's where the bushing to the radiator support, or your grill, otherwise known as your grill, mounts. So that one, they kind of wallow through there over time. It's actually that way on both sides. And then this guy here is pretty wallowed out. Again, all those areas where those bushings trap moisture. Other than those three spots, it's a good straight solid front half of a frame. And there's no rust inside the rails anywhere else on it. And then if you flip it over, show you the underside of it. Obviously they're really light. And cut it nice clean. You can see it's nice factory black paint inside of it, both sides. Let's see if it'll let me. So nice and smooth, no scaling in there. All the mounts on the outside are good. All this, there's a little bit of dirt from and this guy is it'll come off. It's got a little pin in it there, alignment pin, so it just needs a pry bar and it'll pop right out. But both front leaf spring mounts are in good shape. Sorry, it's a little windy out. I got my camera out of focus. There we go. So now it should be it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, give us a call, 303-666-9020. Thank you.